Look at this one. The first two questions are probabilities. So I'll go through both lah. Huh? Okay. So the probability that Danish walks to school is 0.6. If he walks to school and he's going to be late, is 0.05. So he's going to see the either alternative is that he cycles to school, and then this is the probability that he's going to be late, right? Okay. So what we're going to do is first we're going to talk about the mode of transport. Okay, so what we have here is that this one over here is he will either walk or he will cycle. Okay, so the probability of him walking is 0.6. So that means if he cycles, it'll be 1 minus 0.6. That's 0.4 lah, correct? Then after that, we're going to see that when he walk and cycle, right, he will either be late or not late, right? Late or not late. Okay, so if he is either late or not late only, correct? There's only two alternatives, right? So if he walks to school, the probability that he's going to be late is 0.05. That means if he's not late, 1 minus 0.05. So 0.95. But if he cycles, it's going to be late is 0.02. Then this is 0.98. Okay, then after that from here, you want the probability that he is not late for school. So there are two scenarios there. That means he can walk and not be late. He can cycle and not be late. Can you see that? Okay, so what happens here is that walk and not be late, cycle and not be late. Cycle and not be late. Okay, so just press calculator for this. All right, then at the end of the day, 0.962. Okay, so this is something that is not too scary, right? Quite fun, in fact, right? Because it's quite understandable. Okay, then after that, when we go to the next one, all right, so the next one that we have over here, this one is probability of three different competitors is Alex, Julie, and Desmond for them winning. So what we do is very funny, right? Only one person can win the race, right? So they ask, why are there more than three competitors? You can do by calculation because if let's say you have all the competitors, right? When you add the probability together means all the scenarios ready, right? You should actually get one whole. So if I do this, and then I do this, right? My probability is just half, eh? So most probably there'll be more people around. So you just need to tell me, right, that the sum of their probability is not equals to 1. That's good enough already. Okay? So you can just understand that. So find the fraction that neither, find as a fraction that neither Alex nor Julie wins. So you will take, okay, wait, neither of them win, right? Let me think. If you don't want Alex to win, okay, so Alex winning, right, is, what's the probability of Alex winning? Okay, just don't want them to win, all right? So what we have here is that you just take 1 minus Alex winning. Is it 1 mark only? Oh, yeah. Minus Julie winning. So you do 1 minus these two. And then you will just get 7/12 already. All right, easy. Okay.